Head up, I want to see what my shit do against your shit. Yo, 114. Head up, I want to see what my shit do against your shit. What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video. Man, I'm excited, man. We got the red bike in the back. We got another red bike in the back. We got the tour back on back of that. But, man, you know what time it is. It is time to slide to LA. Oh, my God, I forgot we got this bike back here. Speaking of this bike, Antonio just hit me up saying the parts was ready. So you already know that's my favorite and most best excuse I can hear to go to the city, hop on my glide and slide. Man, my boy Dre is about to pull up. He pulled up last night, but it was late, man. I didn't want him to have to keep running outside the hotel checking on the bike, so it's still here. He about to go come through, load it up real quick, but in the meantime, I'm gonna load up mines and throw that on the truck, so when we get out there, we can slide for a little bit after we pick up the parts, so on and so forth, man. So hopefully we can get some decent footage today, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. Let's get it in and load up this bike now. Alrighty, man, after all them straps and ties and clicks, got this thing all tied down, ready to go. We waiting on my boy Dre to pull up and load that joint up. Then we gonna be out of here doubled up, man. So let's get it in, champ. And my boy just pulled up. About to get this bike going. It sounds good as fuck. I'm telling you. And it's going, yeah, the clutch is way different. It's not no stock clutch for sure. Hey, y'all want to know what's so crazy, man? We sitting here loading up the bike.
Shifting problems.
Oh, that's why right there.
Oh, God.
I ain't even looked in this bag. That's what's so crazy. Usually I be looking in the bags and stuff, man. I didn't look in none of it. And you got the stock ones right there, so you can pick whichever one you want. That's cool. Because y'all realize it's only got one of these. And then on the other side, it's got the stock daddy, so he didn't know what he wanted to do, man. But we gonna figure it out for him today. That's for certain. But we're gonna take these bags off. We don't want these things to fly off. Y'all see they got these old little pins and stuff, man. That's just not gonna work. It's not gonna cut it. What's up, guys? Today's video is sponsored by your very own Everything's Regular Enriched Studies, the place to learn everything there is to know about Copart. From how to bid to figuring out what lots to look at, finding transport, how to profit off Copart, as well as scaling your sales up. Be sure to sign up today for your one-way ticket to success. Remember, never underestimate yourself, guys. Anybody can do this. Sign up for the class today. I did it, and you could too. Shit, we out here, got the homie sliding and glide. We headed to the city. Going up. Yes, sir. Gotta see out here sliding. I gotta get some gas, but I'm gonna have to catch the homie when we get to LA. All right, man, gotta fill the beast up, man. I should have did this earlier, but it's all good, man. We gonna get gassed up and get up out of here, champ. So another 100 done. All right, y'all, we just made it to the city, well, down the hill rather. About to go slide to Antonio's, go pick up this paint set before we offload this bike. So I want to get that at least out the way before we have our fun, and then see where we at time wise, because I know the time didn't switched on us, man. So we gonna see what's good. Tony Yo, just pulled up to Tony Yo's. I need this one color matched. I want to paint it all over, but I want to color match it first. You see? Then right here it's a little damaged, but I think that's the main part right there.
And that one?
Maybe. I don't know if I want to take that one off yet, but this one for sure.
It's candy.
However, just like this. I need a color match. How much?
I painted this one before now.
No, it's different color.
Oh.
Different color.
It's maybe like candy, no?
It's like in the sun it looks kind of orangish red, you know?
I need one piece for color.
To color match. Okay, yeah.
Maybe this one. Or this one.
Right, yeah, the color match, yeah. Yeah, I gotta see what I want to do. I'm gonna take it off the truck today, and then I'll call you and let you know and see what's up. How much to paint the whole thing over?
Same color?
Yeah, no, not the same color.
Different color?
Different color. Expensive paint, huh? Hey, man. Ooh, this purple is looking good. Good. Yeah, that's looking real good, Antonio. Dang. Yeah, I like this, man. He about to be shining and gliding. Shining and gliding, man. Look at that purple on that joint. You got the wraparound over here. Yeah, I'm really digging this. Y'all see how good the paint came out, though? Antonio, you did a good job, man.
Yep.
Good job. This thing looks good. That purple is killing. I can't wait to go back to the house and put this joint up. Just came down here from freaking Vegas, man. So much traffic. So much traffic, man. They look good, though. Oh, here goes the rear fender. Got that purple rear fender right there. That thing look good. Look when that light hit it. Ooh. That ain't look good. You got the little bottom trim piece down here. That thing look real good too. I like it. What y'all think about it, man? Let your boy know in the comments below. About to get this stuff loaded up and get on get, dog. Alrighty, man. We got that thing all loaded up. We got the street glide set in here and a road glide on the back, man. That's a good combination right there, dog. I can't wait to throw this purple on there. That thing looks so good. I ain't gonna even lie. I got real jealous when I seen this purple. I'm like, oh, I'm definitely not color matching that orange. I'm definitely coming with a whole new color, just like I was gonna do initially. Yeah, this chain definitely put the icing on the cake, man. So new color for the road glide coming soon, man. We just gonna wait till after AZ to do it, because I definitely want to make AZ. I could make it, but I want mine bust down to the frame if I'm gonna do the paint. So you already know how we're gonna go and do it with that, man. So stay tuned. Let's head to Drake crib and see what's up, man. Get that thing in, dog. Alrighty, man, just pulled up to the block where it's hot. Y'all see what's going on. The homie done already offloaded and everything. Picked up the paint, said we good to go. I'm about to offload mine. We about to hit the road running, man. Whew, that thing look good when it's on ground like that, man. Fresh offload. Y'all see what's going on, man. About to get that cruise in. I load that back up. My boy over here already got his jacket on. He ready to go. He said he about to switch the back one in the front, because the front one has stripped. So he about to go slide these things. So, man, let me get the truck ready so we can pull up out this joint. My boy over here getting down, man. Got that thing shined up. Y'all see the chrome on there gleaming. Get a good look, man, because it's disappearing as soon as my boy freaking break it down, man. Look at the color on that, though, man. We ain't decided what color we gonna go, man, but y'all gotta stay tuned and let us know some options in the comments below, man. Make sure you drop them, because, you know, y'all seen the purple one, man. They picked their color, and that thing looks freaking amazing. So make sure you drop your guesses and ideas in the comments below, dog. We're going to get this thing to one of y'all real soon. Can't wait, man. We about to get this thing sliding and shining, man. Yeah, this dude is funny, man. I swear, every time you really just get into the bike, man, you always find something different that you haven't seen before, man. So y'all see this little switch right here, dog? This thing has lights, so if you guys look up at the nighttime, we'll be better off. We'll be able to see it a lot better. But You guys see the lights under the engine bay and stuff like that, man. About to get this thing cleaned up. Y'all see it shining, man. So, well, hopefully we'll see what that thing look like at the nighttime, man. I'm digging it. About to get this slide in and stuff real quick, man. The homie didn't pull it up. That bumblebee thing, man. Y'all see what's happening. Y'all see what's happening, man. Y'all see what's happening. Yeah, y'all see what's going on, man. We done pulled up to the view. Oh my God. Look, check out the view, dog. Y'all gotta check this out. Man, you can't get this nowhere else, dog. Nowhere else you can't get this view, dog. Gotta love sunny Southern California, dog. Y'all gotta look at that view, dog. That thing look cold. Head up, I want to see what my shit do against your shit. Yo, 114. Huh? Head up, I want to see what my shit do against your shit. Man, just made it back, man. That was a freaking fun ride, dog. Y'all know when we come to LA and slide, it's a whole different vibe, man. But just like that, man, the party is over. It's time to load back up and head to the crib. You know, it wasn't that long. It was only like a 20-30 minute ride, but definitely worth the freaking ride, man. It was really fun. About to load this up. My man Straight about to get this thing freaking situated, looking good and everything, man. So make sure y'all tune into my boy page right now. We're about to get this thing going, stripped down, man. The raffle is about to be live any day now, man. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for that. As for this one, man, love this color. Love this color. I can't even hold you. At nighttime, it kind of looks dope, but in the sun, it looks amazing. But we're gonna load this thing up and get him out of here, dog. All right, man, we got this thing loaded up, man. Y'all know what time it is, man. It's time to hit the road and get back to the desert, dog. Let's get it. Man, just made it back. Gotta offload and switch this one around with this one, because we're gonna be getting cracking tomorrow, man. So the Glide is definitely going in this spot. Let's get some light up in here. The Glide is going in this spot. Gonna switch that on out. So let's get that thing offloaded real quick, dog. Man, we got all the boxes and parts in here. Got the bikes in there. Everything is good to go. It's looking like Christmas night or Christmas Eve or whatever. But tomorrow we're gonna get cracking and get everything situated, man. Can't wait. That'll be fun. All these pieces will get put on and everything, man. So make sure y'all stay tuned for tomorrow where you get this thing going, riding and shining, man. So stay tuned. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. We rode to the city, rode around, got all the pieces to the black bike. Now the black bike is purple. Got all the pieces right here laid out. So, man, tomorrow we're going to get cracking, man. Make sure you stay tuned for that. Appreciate you guys supporting. Let me know what you guys think about the video in the comments below. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll have to catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.